Yes, sir, your voice is clear.
Okay. Good morning, student. Four assignment of algebra completed. Now the fourth assignment of geometry, that is construction. Uh, this chapter is very important for both the groups, slow learner also and for the toppers also. Why? Because slow learner student can pass the exam of math, especially geometry. They can score good with the help of construction, because no theorem, no formula, no reasoning, no calculation, nothing. Only to draw the diagram neat and clean, you will get the full mark. Also, it is very important for the toppers. Why? You have to be very careful, because those who are scoring only 8, 9, 10 marks, no. So teachers generally give full marks to the construction, that at least in this they will get the good marks, so they will pass. But those who are topper, 40 out of 40, 60 out of 60 with option, if everything is correct, they will find out the mistake in construction. That mark is double, mark is thin or thick, dot is corrected, intersection point is correct, whether the writing material is touching to the diagram. So these very minor thing they will observe, and they will cut half marks. So for both the group, it is very important to be very sharp. And I always teach in the way that you have to draw once, don't repeat. Even the scale, this and this, no return ticket, only this way or only this way. Arc also opposite to the body. If you are lefty, like me, this. If you are righty, this. Opposite to the body, movement of arc. Don't do, and don't cross the this rounder. It should be vertical, and no repetition on both the side. This, that's it. Base, always we have to start within two line, not on the line starting point. Arc should be one direction, single time. Whatever the intersection point, you have not to highlight. At the end, you will write name, labeling, ABCD. You will write the measurement with unit. But labeling and unit writing, digit writing should not touch to the diagram. So these are the small things you have to keep in your mind, otherwise you will lose a mark. This is for the toppers. And for the slow learner, this is the best chapter in which you can score, and very easily you can pass. First, by SSS we will see. .5 centimeter. So I also plan my every week, that till May, what I can serve you the best, the better, so that I can improve the result of Saint Lawrence. So you also people will support me in hard working. I am always 24 hours. I am available on WhatsApp and call. So whenever while studying you have any problem, you can ask me. As the triangles are similar, sides are in proportion. Three sides are given, and that ratio also it is given 5/4. So 5.5 . When triangles are similar, sides are in proportion. Then three part. First equal to last. So LM 5.5 into 4 by 5. MN LN 4.4. Y 5 11s are 11 4 the 44. 6 2s are 6 4s are 24. 24 divided by 5, so 4.8. LM we got, MN we got, LN. Correct. Now rough diagram, which element among that MN is the highest. You can take any, not compulsory. LM is 4.4, LN is 3.6. So draw 4.8 first. Okay. Then from M 4.4, arc 4.4. Like this. So from this, correct, and from this, so you will get intersection point. No need to highlight that intersection point, directly joined with this. It is very smooth, so it is slipping. It should not touch this element labeling measurement. Sometimes they will ask to draw both the diagram, but construct this and this. So both ABC also you have to construct exactly like this. Sometimes they will, so read the question which exactly you have to construct, because second diagram it is always it is a common question that always they will ask second to draw, but here they have given draw ABC and element both. Now second is also of that. Now SAS type, triangle RST, triangle XYZ, S angle is given. So S angle S is equal to angle Y is equal to 50 degree. Correct. In again RS ST TR, first second second third third first, XY YZ ZX, and that is given 3 by 5. RS is given 4.5. ST is given 5.7. two segment and include angle. So we will take this and this 4.5 xy, 5.7 yz, cross product 4.5 15, so 75 7.5 centimeter, yz 5.7 into 5 by 3, 19 3s are 57, 57 60 less 3, 19 20 less 1, like that. Faiza, always Faiza means put a 0, make it half. 19 into 5 means 190. 190 means 200 less 10. 200 less 10, so 100 less 5. Now, y angle is given. X, Y, Z. This is given 50 degree. XY is given 7.5. This is 9.5. So first row YZ 9.5. Then from here angle 50. Then from here 7.5. From here 7.5. So 7.5 centimeter, 9.5 centimeter. So, and this angle, you have to show this with arrow mark. Up to this, without arrow, there also you will lose the mark. One diagram they will ask related on the congruency of the triangle. SSS, ASA, SS, hypotenuse side. One diagram. One diagram definitely they'll ask on tangent, how to draw the tangent. In tangent there are also two methods, by using center, without using the center. So construct a tangent to a circle 3.5. See, different method I'm including. First of all, only radii given and you have to draw the tangent. So first complete the circle. .5 is given. Take a point on a circle and draw a single tangent. Without using center, they have not given, means you can use the center. So from the center, simple draw the ray. So the ray will intersect circle or a single point. No need to highlight, automatically you can see the point. Now less than radii, both the side you have to cut. Correct? So this and this we got. I am repeating, you have not to repeat. Less than radii from that intersection point from both the side. Now increase this, and from both the side up and down. Now that 2 point you have to join. Center is given, point is given. Here write anything. Correct? Now that same without using center. Now take a point on a circle. Sorry. Take a point on a circle and complete the triangle. Now here inscribe angle theorem we are using. Exactly, you have to be very careful where you have to draw the this. From here, just cut the two arms of this. Now only single arm in opposite. Now we have to measure this, and that much you have to cancel. Cut, sorry. Again I am explaining. From here 1 2, from here 1 2. See here, two arms you have to cut of the angle. Here one arm and outside the circle. Now this point and this point you have to join. So this is your point P. This is your center which you have not used. Only for the circle you have used. Correct? Now, very important, that is two tangent segment from outside the circle. For that, what they will give the radii of the circle. From the center, it is at a 7 centimeter, for example. 3 centimeter it is a radii, 7 centimeter it is a distance of a point which is outside the circle. From the center, 7 centimeter is the distance. Now first you have to bisect perpendicular bisector of that segment means the point which is outside the center and the center, outside the circle and center, that much segment you have to draw perpendicular bisector. From this, more than half, same, more than half. And then you have to
Sir,
join.
only 5 minutes left.
You have to draw a perpendicular bisector. Then new point and old center, that much you have to take. This and this. Now cut. New, that you will get the intersection point of perpendicular bisector, that point and the center. Cut the circle. No need to draw full circle. In the textbook they have shown full circle. No need. Now this point and this point you have to join. So point P outside, C is the center, this A and B are the intersecting point, and this is RQ. So and measurement, suppose this is 7 centimeter. This much is, you can show 3 centimeter. Now let me tell you, radii 3 centimeter, distance 7 centimeter, radii 3 centimeter, distance 6 centimeter, radii 3 centimeter, distance 5 centimeter. In all three example, I have taken radii same 3 centimeter, 3 centimeter, 3 centimeter. Distance from the center, I have taken 3 options: more than double, exactly double, less than double. So, which type of the angle you circle and the bisector you will get? A rough diagram I am drawing. If it is more than double, here, exactly double here, less than double here. When you will draw this perpendicular bisector, remember, when you will draw the perpendicular bisector, that bisector will be, perpendicular bisector will be out, perpendicular bisector will be tangent, it will be here, exactly tangent. Perpendicular bisector, it is secant, inside. Means 0 common point, line and circle, 1 common point, 1, 0 common point,
So less than 1 minute.
1 common point, 2 common point. So from here, this is the center, this much is new radii. This is the center, this much is new radii. This is the center, this much is new radii. Now from here, What I mean to say, when it is more than double, that perpendicular bisector is totally out. There is no common point of line in circle. When a distance is given exactly double, that perpendicular bisector itself, it is a tangent. So there is a one common point. When a perpendicular when a distance is less than double, perpendicular bisector will be inside the circle, means it is a secant. Here there is a disjoint, here there is a tangent, here there is a secant. Disjoint means zero common point, one common point, two common point. That is only the difference. So you have to keep in mind that it is double than radii, exactly double to the radii, or less than the radii. If it is a very easy topic, you have to practice very